How do you start your personal brand when you don't even know where to start? In this video, we'll dive into personal branding for you if you're a beginner, so you can build your brand starting right now. And stick to the end to get 3 great branding statements that you can utilize and improve for your future ventures on LinkedIn and your other profiles, and start a good relationship with your leads, prospects, or even getting that new job. Hey, Zach here, where every Tuesday we help you build that legacy brand beyond the game. So let's jump right into it. Whatever you intend to call your business of being yourself in an organizational sense, you've possibly taken steps into discovery or discovering or enhancing your personal brand. You'll find thousands of queries and content about leveraging your personal brand, and most of the stuff boils down to this: be authentic and be consistent. Sounds easy, right? Well, why isn't everyone mastering their personal brand then? Personal branding takes a lot of hard work and is more than just a prop for your marketing and business needs. It involves deeply understanding your target audience, strengths, weaknesses, what you're good at, and more. At this point, you may have printed up some business cards or created an eye-catching website, or kind of just dived into some sketching for your business plan. You probably dived into signing up for a Facebook account, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, which you check out frequently. Your social media marketing isn't working in your favor either. So, what's the best online approach for your audience? How do you beat other competitors in your space? Is personal branding really that important? Well, throughout this video, we're going to help you understand those 3 benefits of personal branding, especially if you're a newcomer to the industry. We're going to start this off by talking about how you have to build credibility. Personal branding can help professionals establish themselves as credible experts in their field. By consistently communicating their knowledge and expertise through their branding efforts, they can build a reputation as someone who's knowledgeable and trustworthy. Next, you really want to attract opportunities. Personal branding can help professionals attract new career or business opportunities. Professionals can showcase their skills, expertise, and achievements to potential employers or clients by creating a strong brand. This can lead to new job offers, promotions, or even enhanced business opportunities. And lastly, you really want to differentiate yourself. Personal branding can help professionals differentiate themselves from competitors in their niche. By developing a unique brand identity and messaging, professionals can stand out from the crowd and attract attention from those potential employers or clients. So, what are some tips that can get you started without you spending those big dollars? Well, you want to find out your why. Go through discovery. Define your brand's identity. It's all about you, your personality. You should start by defining your identity, which includes identifying unique skills, strengths, and values. You should also develop a brand statement or elevator pitch summarizing your personal brand's message. At the end of this video, I'll give you 3 easy ways that you can utilize to leverage on your LinkedIn page. Let's move on. Optimizing those social media profiles. Social media platforms are powerful tools for personal branding in the fast-paced world. You should optimize your social media profiles, including LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, But really, once you figure out your why, you should probably stick to one or two and kind of roll with it, depending on where your audience is at. You want to update that profile picture, write engaging bios, and share content highlighting your expertise. Your content. This is where everyone stumbles. You want to start creating valuable content for your audience. Creating content is an excellent way for professionals to establish themselves as experts in their field and showcase their unique perspectives. You can start by writing a blog, write articles for online publications, or create videos like this and even podcasts that share your insights and expertise. By consistently producing valuable content, you can build a following and establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche and industry. As you know, LinkedIn is one of the most powerful tools for personal branding, especially for professionals. So, how do you deliver on this? And what are some practices that you can take advantage of? Well, having a top quality profile. Let's just take LinkedIn, for example. You want it to reflect your brand, so it's essential to make it stand out. Start by uploading that headshot and writing a compelling summary highlighting your skills, experience, and achievements. Try to include relevant keywords around your niche that reflect your expertise, making it easier for others to find you. Think intent. How are people going to find you? LinkedIn is about building relationships. Why don't you watch this video up above on 5 must-dos to build long-lasting relationships on LinkedIn. Now, this is the fun part, and this is what's going to help you develop your brand and grow. Build your network. Building that solid network on LinkedIn is pretty critical for personal brands. More than getting followers, make sure you master a personable approach to your connections. Think about attracting people, including colleagues, peers, and thought leaders once you really start pushing on that aspect of trying to become a leader. Be active and engage with them by commenting on their posts, sharing relevant content, and offering your insights and expertise. Why don't you share with us in the comment box down below on some tips you use on connecting with your LinkedIn following? Lastly, try and share some eye-catching content. I know you've been through a lot in your industry. It's time to share your story. Those insights people can relate to and even comment on. Really get deep here. Find things that you've grown from and utilize those and build a story off of that. Storytelling is the key in your branding efforts. If you want to get a tutorial on storytelling, click on the video on the upper right corner where we help you discuss storytelling. Be creative. Share articles, blog posts, videos, and other relevant content that showcases who you are. You'll probably get recognized by sharing this and start getting on interviews or other podcasts, or even growing a community that you didn't even know existed. Consistently sharing valuable content will help you build a following and establish yourself as that thought leader. Now, we're going towards the end. Let me give you those 3 branding examples to help you define your eye-catching brand positioning statement. Thousands of personal brands have good reputations. These are 3 personal brand examples that will help you stand out in an overcrowded market. If you want to garner inspiration from more personal branding examples, I'll leave a link to the blog post on our website related to this topic. See, the problem is that content creators are always talking about multi-million-dollar brands, holding up the idea that brands must have millions of members in its community to be successful, which is not 100% accurate. I'm not trying to underestimate worldwide personal brand examples by any means. Think about Tony Robbins, Oprah Winfrey, LeBron James, or Serena Williams. They all have inspired us in so many ways. But let me put it this way. You may only have 1,000 or 2,000 followers on social media and still impact your audience. It all depends on the level your brand is at right now, at this moment, and how you measure your growth. For example, at a local level, you may have 500 clients, but you still do business and build long-lasting relationships with them. So focus on relationships, not followers. If you don't have a massive community around your brand yet, don't get disappointed. I can assure you, as you grow, your message will be more relevant to a broader audience. So let's jump into those examples down below. Example 1, Chris Stowe, a singularity-focused creative. He's a designer, educator, and entrepreneur. He found The Future, an online education platform for creative professionals. His personal brand stands for teaching creatives how to succeed in business. This is what he lives by. And yes, he had a far longer story than just this simple tagline. But simply, it makes sense and generates lots of buzz on his YouTube channel. Every week without fail, he teaches a lot of high achievers a wide range of things, demonstrating he's intimately familiar with the ins and outs of branding and business. Chris has built his personal brand through speaking engagements, online courses, and valuable content on social media. As of this recording, he has over 350,000 subscribers on YouTube and 95,000 followers on Instagram. Medallion Skylar, the Twitter queen. Skylar is a social media consultant and founder of Twitter Smarter. She is known as the Twitter queen for her expertise in building a strong presence on the Twitter platform. Her personal branding statement is teaching businesses and entrepreneurs how to use Twitter to achieve more success. Key there, achieve more success. She isn't just a Twitter guru. She has built her personal brand through, hint, hint, speaking engagements, online courses, and valuable content on social media. We always say, in real life, you need to give value to your passionate audience. Her personal brand makes sense with her impact online because she's done it so well that she has over 60,000 followers on Twitter and 5,000 on Instagram. Austin Balcack, half marketing, half geek. Austin is a marketing consultant and founder of Cultivated Culture. He is known for his ability to help job seekers land their dream jobs through his unique approach on branding. His brand statement is helping people achieve their career goals by combining half marketing and half geek. He has over 8,000 followers on Twitter and 7,000 on Instagram. Now, as we promised at the beginning, here are 3 personal branding statement examples that I want you to sit down and think about writing out and executing a little bit differently towards your flair, your story, as you continue to grow your brand. Use them to garnish inspiration on what your profiles should include. You can customize accordingly to your field and expertise. Overall, make sure you honor your values whenever you meet a new client or partner. So, I'm going to say these a little bit slower for you. I help businesses build and grow their online presence through effective digital marketing strategies. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I have helped numerous businesses achieve their goals and increase revenue. My expertise include SEO, PPC, social media, and email marketing. Number 2, as a business coach and consultant, I help entrepreneurs and small business owners overcome their biggest challenges and achieve their goals. With a focus on business strategy, leadership development, and team building, I have helped numerous clients succeed and reach their full potential. Number 3, I'm a software engineer passionate about developing innovative and user-friendly applications with a focus on user experience and clean code. I have developed numerous successful applications for clients across various industries. My expertise include full stack development, mobile development, and cloud computing. Again, take these, write them down, grab them from the CC file. Hope that they help you establish a nice statement for your profiles. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Hopefully this video will help you on the importance of this topic in today's world, and I encourage you to develop your own personal brand today. You have free sources online to do so without spending a single dollar. Again, I love if you could tackle that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now, this is Zach, helping you build that legacy brand beyond the game.